I've been using the Gauth app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a reliable AI study companion in 2025. Gauth is an AI-powered study assistant that helps students solve problems across various subjects, including math, physics, chemistry, and biology. One of its standout features is the ability to take a photo of a problem and receive step-by-step solutions, making it convenient for tackling homework challenges. The app also offers animated explanations and 24/7 access to real tutors, enhancing the learning experience. With a user-friendly interface and support for multiple subjects, Gauth aims to be a comprehensive study tool for students at different academic levels. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While Gauth performs well with basic to intermediate problems, it may struggle with more complex or advanced questions, particularly in higher-level math courses. Some users have reported occasional inaccuracies in solutions, and a reliance on AI means that not all explanations may align perfectly with every student's learning style. Additionally, while the app offers a free version, access to premium features and unlimited questions requires a subscription, which might not be ideal for all users. Overall, Gauth serves as a helpful tool for students seeking quick assistance with their studies, especially for straightforward problems and concepts. Its combination of AI-driven solutions and access to human tutors provides a balanced approach to learning. However, for more complex subjects or personalized guidance, it should complement other study methods rather than replace them entirely. I hope this review helped you understand the pros and cons. If it did, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.